How to find a Gmail address by phone number? So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Play Store application. After opening the application, you need to click on the profile icon on the top right side. Then from here, you need to click on this option and scroll down to add another account. You need to click on this. As soon as you click on it, wait for a moment. After that, here's what you need to do next. Here you need to click on forgot email. As soon as you click on it, you need to enter your mobile number here. After entering your mobile number, you need to click on next. Here you need to enter your name, enter your first name and last name, then click on next, and after that wait here for a moment. Now here you will see that all the Gmail accounts that have been created with this mobile number will appear here. From here you can select any account you want. For example, I select this account, and then here you will enter your password and your account will be logged in. So this is how you can find your Gmail address using your phone number. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel and be sure to press the bell icon.